severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County in northern New York, north central St. Lawrence County in northern New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:41 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near Louisville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Messina, Louisville, Helena, Roosevelttown, South Bombay, Fort Covington, North Bangor, Constable, Malone. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern New York and Vermont. This is NOAA Weather Radio KIG-60, all hazards, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.400 megahertz from the top of Mount Mansfield in northwestern Vermont. This transmitter services the counties of Addison, Chittenden, Franklin, Grand Isle, Lamoille and Washington in Vermont, in northern New York, Essex, Franklin, and Clinton counties.